Hi, so we're going to go ahead and take a look at creating a VoiceThread activity. Now, the interesting thing about VoiceThread is this is a case where it's an external website that's been integrated into Moodle to facilitate creating activities on that external website that then you can bring back into Moodle and grade easily in Moodle. So let's go ahead and take a look. There are a couple things that you need to do first before you start using VoiceThread. Now you should have a login to VoiceThread via your Active Directory, so you shouldn't really need to log into it. You can do that from Moodle. So the first thing we need to do is find the VoiceThread box or block on the right hand side of the page. In this installation it could be on the left. You may have to add the block if it's been removed, so if we go to add block you should see VoiceThread in there somewhere. So let's go ahead and the first thing we need to do is click Go to VoiceThread, and this is going to log us in automatically to VoiceThread. So we take a look. VoiceThread is going to go ahead and log us in. Okay, so now we can go ahead and minimize this window. I've had the best luck leaving it open, but minimized, and I'm going to click Sync Roster with VoiceThread, and it's going to synchronize my courses and reload my page. Okay, so notice we get the successfully synced Moodle course with VoiceThread. Okay, so at this point with the VoiceThread window open and my course is synced, we should be okay to create the activity. So we go to Add Activity, and we're going to go to VoiceThread Commenting. Okay, now the initial assignment is going to be the same. So we have sample VoiceThread commenting assignment. Okay, we're going to paste in this information here. So this is kind of the standard sample assignment text. So we have our introductory with our standard objective and student-friendly format. We have our instructions numbered and bulleted, and we have our what to turn in for our grade. You should follow your style guideline for creating your own online courses. This is just my suggestion. Okay, we're going to disable, of course we're going to disable the due dates because we don't want those to appear just yet. That's your choice. We're not going to prevent late submissions. Grading we go through in a different video. We're going to leave this as 100, simple direct grading, and you would want to categorize this if in fact you're using the Google or the Moodle gradebook. Okay, so we're going to go here and we're going to go please select your VoiceThread. Okay, so and we're actually going to go so this window here, this frame is actually going to show us this VoiceThread. And at this point what I would do is I would go to the main VoiceThread window. Okay, so let's bring that up. Okay, so let's go to VoiceThread, and we're going to actually go to Create, and we're going to click on Upload. We're going to choose My Computer. I'm going to select a PDF that I have on my computer. I'm going to click Save, and it's giving me the starting upload. Processing file. Okay, so once I have this uploaded, we're going to go ahead and share. Oops, sorry, get a link. Okay, so we're going to allow anyone to view or comment. Okay, so now what I can do here is notice that this number is going to be the number that I need. Now you can get it in other places, but this is probably the easiest way to get it. Okay, so let's go back to the page. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and fill in that number. Okay, and notice that this is an untitled VoiceThread, and I can go back in and edit this. So let's go here. So we want to add a title and link. So my title is going to be Linus Torvalds Great or Greatest. You can tell I'm a huge fan. Okay, so there we go. So we can go back here. Notice that it didn't update quite yet, but it will. Okay, so let's select, and we can go down. So this is the enter the number of comments. So once I've created my voice thread, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to require a number of comments. So the default is 1, so the student has to make at least 1 comment. Allow resubmitting, we're going to say yes. Email alerts to teacher, we're going to say no. Okay, so we're going to go ahead. That's about it. It's very, very, very simple. All right, and we'll have another, tutorial about actually using VoiceThread, but that creation process and getting it into Moodle is fairly simple. So we're going to save and display. Oops, and I am going to go back and edit my assignment here so that I get the correct oops. Okay, so I'm going back in. I'm going to basically I'm going to edit my instruction text so that it is left justified, and I'm going to resave my assignment. Okay, so here is what a student would see. We have instruction step, what's turned in for your grade, and then we have the actual VoiceThread assignment. So what the student would do then? The student would come in. They would maybe they can zoom in on this Linus Torvalds kind of biography here from Wikipedia. They can also comment, so say if they want to leave a comment, basically they can type in a comment. Okay, and we click save. So at this point I have left a comment. Notice that it records that I have made 1 comment. Okay, so that's it. So the student has made 1 comment, and they need to click this button. Okay. At that point, the student has turned in their assignment. Okay. All right. Perfect. I hope this helps. Good luck.